A warm summer day at Circleville's brand new park. It's a hot spot for kids.
It's amazing. The kids love this place.
Parents, too. But now there's a squabble over who is going to take care of Circleville's parks and foot the bill for mowing, cleaning, and maintenance.
Ooh, that'd be kind of depressing. It might not be as pretty as it is now.
Right now, the Public Service Department does it, but come July 19th, they say they're done.
Our police department's been cut. Our fire department's been cut.
Public Service Director Phil Sawyer says the mayor gave him a direct order. The city can no longer afford to maintain the parks.
The bottom line is Circleville is hurting like every other town. We do not have the manpower to sufficiently man the city and the parks. Can we do it? Yes. Have we been doing it? Yes. But there again, we have been robbing Peter to pay Paul.
So they want the Parks Board or volunteers to step in and do the job. And that leads to another problem.
Best estimate, about $200,000 to maintain all 5 parks in Circleville for a year. The problem is the Parks Board doesn't have any money, and they're all volunteers.
But a letter from the city attorney says Sawyer's crews will likely keep up their work.
Okay, but this letter from the city attorney says your department needs to do it.
That is correct. And with that, I have to say that we will maintain it, but we are hurting for staff.
And that struggle just may leave these parks unkept.
It would just get disgusting out here, and there would be no mowing, and it would get overrun with grass and bugs, and nobody will want to come out and play.
This is a good investment. It's nice for everybody to be able to come out here and just play and have a good time.